Hey guys, welcome to episode 7 on how to build your home step by step. A lot has happened since last time. We got the windows installed, the roof underlinements in, plumbing getting installed, so it's electrical. I wanted to go through a couple of the things that we've installed in the home so you can take a look at it. So let's go inside. So the first thing I wanted to talk to you about is the plumbing. What they're doing with it now, they're using PEX plumbing that runs through the attic of the house. So you don't have a lot of things running through the foundation of the home, which will eliminate slab leaks that can be very costly in the future. So the only plumbing we have running under the house is right over here. Everything that's running to the island, but everything else is being ran through the attic. You're going to see the main actually comes through over here. From here we have the water main. The way they connect these are, everything comes in with copper and then it's got a welded connection that hooks up to the PEX. It'll run all the way up through the attics to the different rooms and everything. Also, one of the other things that we are installing is a tankless water heater, which is set up over here in the garage. We have the hot water connections to feed and what's going back into the house over here. So when we're talking windows in this house, we have a lot of big windows. So what we opted to do, well, since these two windows are so large and they could get really heavy to go up and down. It's not fully installed yet, but these windows are actually going to roll. They're just going to roll out, open and close. So it's going to be a lot easier for whoever's doing them to get some airflow through the home and not have such a heavy window. Electrical is being put in. We had the panel installed. Also the HVAC, we have the furnace installed and all the ducting is already put into the home. The next step after the plumbers are done, the electrical and everything is done, we're going to have the insulation. It's going to come and be installed over here, and then we'll drywall everything and do all the finished plumbing and electrical after that. The underlinement's been installed. This will protect your roof in case a tile breaks or there's a leak. It gives you some protection, but if you do have like a slip tile in the future or anything like that, that underlayment does wear with the sunlight, so it could cause a big issue, but right now it's done. So in the next week or so, we're going to have the roof tiles delivered. We're going to have all the plumbing finished, the insulation installed, and start working on the drywall on the home. So we'll see you for episode 8, hopefully in about a week or two. See you then.